Welcome to Oto Zihin. Here are smart tips to help you save fuel and drive more efficiently. Let's begin carrying unnecessary weight. Keeping heavy items in your car all the time makes the engine work harder. This means more fuel burned. Empty the trunk and lighten your load to drive smarter. Sudden acceleration and braking. Driving aggressively wastes fuel. Fast acceleration and hard braking may feel fun, but they cost you more. Smooth driving is safer and more fuel efficient. Tire pressure. Low tire pressure increases resistance between your tires and the road. This makes your car use more fuel. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. Air conditioning. At low speeds, open the windows. At high speeds, keep them closed and use the AC wisely. Air conditioning puts extra load on the engine, increasing fuel consumption. Idling. Leaving the engine running while waiting burns fuel unnecessarily. Turn it off if you're going to be stopped for more than a minute. It's a small step with big savings. Low-quality fuel. Using cheap, low-quality fuel can harm your engine and increase fuel use. Stick to trusted fuel stations and give your car what it deserves. Skipping maintenance, regular oil changes. New filters and spark plugs help your engine run better. Skipping these makes your engine work harder and use more fuel. Stay on top of your maintenance schedule. By following these tips, you can reduce your fuel costs and get more out of every drive. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more.